Welcome to the video about the Motorola Signature 5G India Launch Edition. Experience flagship redefined with premium performance, advanced AI, and luxury design. It is also Pantone validated. The Motorola Signature 5G sets a new standard for flagships. It features the SD8 Gen 5 chipset, a 165Hz display, a triple 50 megapixels camera suite, and a 5,200 mAh battery with 90W charging. You also get 7 years of OS and security updates. The uncompromising performance engine includes the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 octa-core chipset, up to 16 GB of RAM, and up to 1 TB of storage. It runs on Android 16 with Moto AI and guarantees 7 years of updates, providing console-level gaming and on-device AI. Experience a display that outshines reality with a 165Hz refresh rate and 6,200 nits peak brightness. The 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, featuring Pantone-validated colors and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Capture stunning photos with the triple 50 megapixels Creative Suite. This includes a 50 megapixels Sony LYT-828 main camera, a 50 megapixels periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens with macro vision support. It also supports 8K video recording at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS. Enjoy all-day power with zero anxiety, thanks to the 5,200 mAh silicon carbon battery. Charging is fast with 90W turbo power wired charging, 50W fast wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless sharing. The silicon carbon tech allows for a massive capacity in a slim profile. The phone offers rugged durability and a luxury form. It has an IP68 plus IP69 rating, an aircraft-grade aluminum frame, and is MIL STD 810H certified. The ultra-slim design is available in Pantone Carbon and Pantone Martini Olive colors. The intelligent connectivity and ecosystem feature Wi-Fi 7 readiness, Bluetooth 6.0, and 5G support. Other features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers tuned by Bose and Dolby Atmos, Moto AI integrations, and the Signature Club concierge services. Let's look at the flagship value for India. The recommended variant, with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage, has an effective price of approximately 59,999 rupees. This effective price includes bank offers and launch incentives. Why choose Motorola Signature? It is future-ready with 7 years of support and Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. It offers visual mastery with a 165Hz display and Sony LYTIA cameras, built to last with IP69 durability in a luxury finish, and provides unmatched value for the complete flagship experience. Flagship innovation meets timeless design.